Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to make a tool using DeepSeek, and I'm hopeful that you know more about DeepSeek from the recent trends in the social media, which is basically a strong competitor of the ChatGPT. So in today's video, we will be discussing about the tool website, what a tool website is and how it can be made, and then we will be using the DeepSeek. So let's search a simple image converter on the Google, and you will see that there are around 8100 searches per month with 0.95 CPC, $0.94 CPC. And there are a number of websites in the search. For example, the image converter and the Adobe website, and then the Convertio website. So you can see that the Convertio website is having a total traffic of 25 million. And this 25 million is of course not for this image converter tool only. There are other tools on this website as well. Similarly, this is another website which is the image.online-convert.com, and here you can see that the total traffic on this website is 2 million, and of course this is just for this image conversion tool. So in today's video, I'll be basically giving you a demo that how a tool website can be made using DeepSeek. And if of course you don't have any knowledge of the coding, and of course coding is required. What type of codes are required for designing a tool, and specifically deploying the tool on the web page or your website? You need the HTML code, the CSS code, and of course the JavaScript. So if you don't know anything about these, this is very simple to use DeepSeek, and the ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and other AI tools have made this very simple now for a common man or a man like me who doesn't know about any tool, and he can make basically such type of many other like tool. So now I'm on the DeepSeek, and on the DeepSeek I am writing this prompt that give me a code for a responsive, good looking web page tool that converts every type of image. So for example, we can give this tool the PNG image, JPEG image, and other type of image, and we can convert this. So for this, we will be basically keeping this DeepThink R1 on so that we can get good results. And we have got the results. We have got an HTML file followed by a JSS file, and then the CS file as well. And these files are basically they are jumbled in one file, which is basically an HTML file. We can run this HTML file from here as well, but we will copy this HTML file and we will use it to deploy it on our website. Now, how to test this, whether it will be working on our website or not? So for this purpose, we will be using a free service where you can test your websites. So that free service is testwp.com. On testwp.com, it can give you a website or a web page where you can deploy your tool. You can test that WordPress website without signing up. There is no need to sign up. You just basically click the set it up button, and you will be basically diverted or to a web page that you can use for the testing purpose. So let's try it, and this is very, I think so, interesting that you can use it for any purpose. So let's go to the page which we have got it from the test WP website. Here we will click the pages button and we will create a new page. So just click the add new page button. We will be on the new page, and here we will give a title of the tool. So the title of the tool here is converter or convert image to any type or any form or any format. And then here we will click this plus sign and we will select the HTML, And now we will copy the HTML code from the DeepSeek here. This is the HTML code. We will click the copy button. It is copied. Now we will move to the to our web page. Here we will paste the HTML code and we will publish our web page. So now the web page is published. We can view this page by clicking this view web page button, and we will be basically directed to the web page which is published on our website. So this is the web page and it's amazing. The design is amazing. Convert image to any format. This is the universal image converter. Here a button is that you can choose any image. So we will be downloading a sample image from the website. Let's go to the pixabay.com, and from the Pixabay we will select a sample image. So let's go to the Pixabay, and on the Pixabay let's select any image. For example, here the image is this one, the dollar sign, which is the Apple Watch TV. We will select it. We will click the download, and here the PNG is already selected. So this is the PNG button. We will download the PNG type of image. We will download it, and it's downloaded basically in our download in our download folder. Now coming back on our website, from there we will basically select our image. So choose image, we will click the choose image button, and from the choose image we will be directed to the downloads, and on the downloads we will select the image which was basically downloaded. So here there is a preview of the image as well. So these are the options where we can, to which we can convert it. So we will select the JPEG, we will click the convert button and we will download it now. So it is downloaded, and now we can see this downloaded image which is of JPEG type. So this is the JPEG type image which was converted by our tool. So viewers, you can see that this is now very simple. This was a sample tool which we basically made it using the DeepSeek. You can make any tool and you can play with this tool, and in our coming videos we will basically check more tools, and I will demo it in our upcoming videos. Thank you.